Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox directly in your browser. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Navigate to the official Roblox website. You'll need to log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. This process is straightforward and usually takes less than 1 minute. Once logged in, you can browse and select from thousands of games available to play instantly. To ensure the best experience, make sure your browser is current. Roblox generally supports the latest 2 versions of major browsers. Your computer should have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a processor from the last 10 years. A graphics card, even an integrated one, will help. These specifications ensure that games load quickly and run without significant lag, providing a more enjoyable experience for everyone. Once you've chosen a game, simply click the large green play button on its page. This will initiate the game launch process. If you encounter any difficulties, such as the game not loading, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, a quick browser restart can also resolve minor glitches. Most issues are easily fixed with these simple troubleshooting steps, getting you back to playing in under 1 minute. To further enhance your Roblox experience, close any other demanding applications or browser tabs. This frees up valuable system resources, allowing Roblox to run more efficiently. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster internet connection. You can also adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and performance, ensuring smooth gameplay even on less powerful systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.